Hey, what's good, YouTube family? This is Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. The family and I just got back from the farmer's market and we picked up some fresh green beans. Come on in the kitchen with me. Let's get them started. All right, guys, time to get on these green beans or string beans, whatever you want to call them. I got back from the farmer's market. Time to get them clean, cut. Now, I know some people, they like to snap green beans or peel them by hand. To me, this is just the easiest way for me to do them. This is the way I prefer. I cut the ends off of both sides, cut them with a knife, and that's just how I do them. You can get them the way you want to. There's really no particular way to do it. There's more than one way to skin a cat. This is just the way I skin it. But you're more than welcome to get them shucked, snapped, whatever you want to call it, however you want to do it. All right, guys, let me get this finished up and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, we're finishing it up, getting them washed up real good. You know, this stuff, you want to make sure you wash and get it clean as best as you can. Get rid of those pesticides, insects, whatever's out there. You just never know. Even the people you buy them from, how they handle them. You just want to make sure they get good and washed before you want to be cooking and stuff. All right, I'm going to pan you guys over. I've got some smoked neck bones in here now. I've been boiling them smoked neck bones for about 30 minutes already. I like to get those smoked neck bones going before I add the green beans to get that flavor in that water. I season the water, garlic powder, onion powder, salt. And you can taste that water before you even add the green beans in. All right, that little broth has been going now for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. You can see how rich it looks. Now we're going to add those green beans to this water, this seasoned water. So now you already have a baseline of what the flavor of these green beans is going to be like before you even put them in. And that prevents you from having to do a whole lot of seasoning. Now we're going to add the other half of a large onion. The first half we had in the stock we were making before we put the green beans in. So we had one whole onion. And we're just adding the other half of that onion now. Give it a quick stir, and it looks like there's a lot of water in there, but some of that water is going to cook down, so don't worry. Season it up with some black pepper, as much or as little as you like. Stir it up. Like I said, a lot of this liquid will cook down, so don't trip. Now we're going to add a heaping teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. Again, as little or as much as you like. But that garlic flavor with those green beans and that smoked neck bone, delicious. All right, gonna put that lid on it, let it rock. All right, guys, we've been about 30 minutes or so in. You can see how they're looking. You see that some of that liquid has already started to cook down, but we still have a little bit ways to go. Man overboard, but that's all right. All right, now it's been about an hour and 15 minutes or so. Green beans are looking awesome. That meat is getting ready to fall off the bone. Smells amazing. Now you want to taste that broth again. See if you need to add any salt, any pepper, any garlic, or if it's just right. This is close, but we're going to add a little bit of salt. That seasoned salt. Didn't take much. We did a good job when we were making that stock. As far as the garlic powder and onion powder and everything else, spot on. That's it, guys. Perfect. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. God bless.